Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to craft a rooted dirt in Minecraft. For that, we just need hanging roots and a block of dirt, just a usual normal dirt. After that, we put one dirt here and one hanging roots here, and as you can see I've just crafted a rooted dirt. But you may ask, how did you actually do that? Because you cannot craft a rooted dirt in vanilla Minecraft. The thing is, guys, I'm using a data pack for this, and you can download this data pack in my Telegram channel. I gave you the link in the description. You just open this post and you click download data pack, you save it on your PC in any folder, and after that you just install it to your Minecraft world. To install data pack to your existing world, guys, you just need to select your world and click edit. Here we need to open world folder, and the folder is opened. Yeah, and here we can see data packs folder. We need to open this folder, and after that we just need to drag and drop this file that you just saved on your PC. We moved that file to the to the folder, and after that, yeah, that's it basically. The data pack is successfully installed. Thank you for watching, guys. See you next time.